my god. And the water is filling here. Wait, this is the block, right? Yeah. Yeah, and then you put a block here. Yeah. See? Ta-da! Now you have a working shower. But before you do that, I want to fly. See? It's not so complicated. You can close it up like this, like this. The first time I do was very complicated because I ain't do good with the redstone because I am not the great redstone player like Sevlin. Sevlin is the greatest redstone. He is the god of redstone. You don't know Sevlin? Where have you gone? Sevlin is the most great redstone player. He makes all the trap, everything you want, a gate, an elevator, and anything that you want. So yeah, like that you close. You put it there, you open it, and done. You get there. Just like that, you can build an automatic. What do you call? You know, automatic shower. What the? Oh, it's right. Not me. It's me. Then you can throw this stuff away like that. Open it. Let's go shower. Oh. Na 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 na. What the shower gone? Whoa! Oh my god. Oh, like crazy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a like. I really hope you subscribe. So yeah, bye.